to the WordPress tutorial series. This is part 6, and today we are diving into an exciting step, which is WordPress theme installation. What exactly is a theme? A theme controls the look and feel of your WordPress website, and choosing the right one is key to standing out online. But if you are building it for yourself, choosing the right theme, the right WordPress theme is very, very important. That being said, if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share, drop a comment, as it will help me to boost my morale, you understand? Alright, so let's get started. Now, if you want to install a theme, you definitely need to be inside your dashboard. I'm sure you still remember how to get into your dashboard locally. This is a local environment. So when you are inside your dashboard, there are three major ways you can install a WordPress theme. You can install right in your dashboard here. You can install by downloading the theme somewhere, then you still install from your dashboard, or you can go to your cPanel, your control panel that will be offered to you by your hosting company, so you can install a theme via that approach. So installing through your dashboard is not something difficult. It's as smooth as it can be. It's as easy as ABC. So when you're in your dashboard, you will see appearance, right? So when you see your appearance, you click on themes. So when you click on themes, to load, and it will go to the WordPress theme repository, more like a WordPress theme bank, where you see various themes that has been submitted by various developers or companies. So when it loads, this is presently the active theme that I have, right? The active theme on this local environment on this website is 2025, right? So if you want to go for another theme, or you want to install from the one you downloaded online, you click on add theme. So when you click on add theme, it takes you to the WordPress theme repository. Like I said, the WordPress theme bank. You see the popular ones, you see the latest ones, you see the blog themes, which is like the newest form of developing websites on WordPress. You can see favorites if you select some as favorites, and you can filter through this form here. Alright, so you can see various things here. So the ones you want to install and activate depends on your interest. It depends on what you want to achieve. So I cannot decide, okay, this is the thing to install, this is the thing not to install. But if you can have anything inside your WordPress repository like this, it is secure, it is tested and trusted by WordPress before it can get here. Not all teams are here. Some developers decide not to have their team in the WordPress repository, and they want people or their user to download the theme from their website. So let's say you want to use Elementor. Elementor is a page builder. You'll know more about it during the course of the tutorial. Let's say you want to activate this theme. You can click on preview. When you click on preview, you see the preview, how it looks. Hello by Elementor is just like a blank theme. It's majorly like the theme you need if you be building your website with Elementor. So let's say you want to go for Astra. So you can also still click the preview. When you click on the preview of the Astra, to load, still generating. This is the preview, like the default demo of the theme. Right? So you can read about the description. You see it here. You can install directly from here, or you can just click this install button. So when you click on that install button, give you some seconds. Then when the installation is done, you'll be notified. So it will remain activation to use it. If you want to activate it, all you have to do is click on this activate button. Then if everything is on point, the theme will be activated, and then it will be your active theme. So when you activate it, you will notice that you will see some extra. Most of the time when you activate any theme or plugins, you see some extra menu here. So these are extra pages still inside your dashboard. So you see the Astra menu, you see the dashboard for that theme, you see how to customize it, you see the site builder, you see Spectra. So you see those settings. This is particular to Astra. If you install another theme, you may not have the menu outside here, you may have the menu inside your appearance here. And then you notice that when we installed and activated Astra, we now have theme files, menu, widgets, customized, design, and themes here. So because Astra is not a block theme, 2025 is a block theme, and that is why we only saw themes and editors. So that is one way of installing a theme on your WordPress. So if you want to install a theme that it is not on your WordPress repository, but you downloaded it online. So I already have this theme downloaded, Ocean WP. Although I can find it in the WordPress repo, but I want to show you how to. When you download it, you download a zip folder. So when you are done downloading, you click on Add Theme. So when you click on Add Theme, you see this. Let me close this extra. You see this Upload Theme. So you click on Upload Theme. You see this. See this form. It's asking you to choose a file, and you can see from the description if you have a theme in a .zip format, you may install or update it by uploading it here. So you click on it, then it takes you to your laptop or whatever you are using. This is the theme right here. So you click on it. It must be in zip format, and then you have it here, and then click on install. When you click on install, you then wait for the theme to be installed. Now, when the installation is done, you can then find it inside one of the themes that you have on your WordPress website. Right now, that installing theme from upload file ocean.wp, this is the version that I downloaded. You see I'm packaging the package, installing the theme installed successfully. Now you can preview it, you can activate, or you can go to your themes page. This is still inside your WordPress dashboard. So when you go to the page, you see the number of themes that you have installed. Right? We installed and activated Astra. This is the new theme that we added. This is the default 2025 theme that we left on our WordPress dashboard. So if we check the website now, you notice that it will look differently. It will look differently than before. Now see now, this is from Astra, and because you do not customize anything, and don't forget your customization depends on what you want to achieve. You cannot just decide, okay, you want a blog. You may not want a blog, you may want just a landing page, you may want a corporate business website, right? So you see, now if I activate Ocean WP now, you also notice that some of these Astra menu will be gone, and we have extra. You can see that, like I said earlier, when we activated Ocean WP, you can see this like a welcome banner when you activated the theme. I then see the page, the Ocean WP page inside your appearance. It is not like an external menu. So we use this to follow this instruction, this guide here, to install, to activate or customize whichever way you want it to look like. So you can customize, you can install from demo, you can see the images, you can integrate with external services, you can see the difference between the free version and the pro, elemental widgets, Gutenberg blocks, extra setting, admin, white label. So you see this is particular to Ocean WP. It is not particular to all the WordPress theme that we have. But develop a theme. If it's a commercial theme and you have something similar, it may not look like it, but it will be something similar. But if it's just for a personal website, custom WordPress development, there is no need for me to have, or there will be a settings page for the user to make some changes. So if we check the website now, you notice that it will now look different. You see now, this is the structure of that particular show WP. So guys, that is simply how you can install and activate a WordPress theme. Like I said earlier, during the course of the tutorial, I will show you how you can customize a theme to build a blog or a corporate business website. Don't forget, when you are choosing a theme for your website or your blog, it has to be from a secured or a trusted source. So if you cannot afford pro version, if you cannot afford to buy, just come to WordPress theme repository here, or you can Google search free WordPress theme that you can use, maybe for your cake business or for your graphic design business or for your restaurant business. You definitely find them here. There are commercial themes that you can use. You just need to know how to go through their documentation. Most of them has demos that you can install and just update the content and the images. Alright, so that's it guys. Let me know if you have any question. And the third way of installing a theme will be when you're already live, but you cannot access your dashboard, and then you want to install a WordPress theme. You can go to your cPanel, then there's a file manager in the control panel. So when you go there, you can, along the line, you we are definitely going to touch that. Alright, so don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment, as it will help me to boost my morale and help push this video to more audiences. Right? If you have no question, that means I will see you in the next video.